Hi truckers, it's a beautiful morning out there. I want to share something with you. We are now in Freightliner 2006 Century. I've got again this called HVAC bed. I'm gonna show you. HVAC bed 146s01012. Okay, I went through a numbers of charging the AC system. I went through replacing the AC compressor 3 times. I changed my blower 3 times. I replaced all the sensors, some of them 2 times, some of them 3 times, maybe more. Playing with the harness, hundreds of experiments. Last time I replaced the panel, this panel here. It's actually worked about 2 or 3 months because I replaced it at the end of last summer, so I don't count the winter. And now, after this called HVAC bed, they say probably I need to change the blower again, which is still working. You can hear it. Or if not, replace the panel again and again and again. But this time I did something different. I bought this thing which is called cycle delay timer switch, and now I'm gonna show you how does it work. I took the power from this switch right here, which is for the floor lights, and I never use it. You can see the wires, they're going down there. But if I do it again, I'll look for a wire which is going through the ignition, because these lights are connected directly. They work all the time, even the key is not in the ignition. So I need to remember every time to turn it off when I leave the truck. And the wire originally goes to this light here, and I took from this wire another wire which you cannot see now because it's hidden, but it goes through the door. So it comes through the door here, it's hidden here, go down here, and that's the new wire going directly to the AC clutch. That's my wire here, and I use this thing to connect it. Now I'm gonna show you what kind of parts I used to create this secondary system. I used 2 or 3 of these connectors, 4 of this piece of wire, and of course the relay, this magical relay. Why do we need this relay? It prevents the system from freezing, it gives a break to the compressor, and it provides a normal working cycle by adjusting these 2 times. The red display shows the delay, and the green shows the working time, and you can adjust it. You can increase or reduce both of them. It's pretty easy. When you push it is set. I bought this at eBay. It's not the only model, there is variety of them. This one costs like less than 10 bucks. Everything works with 12 volts, and later on I'll try to provide a picture of the wires for those who want to give a try and make this for themselves. I used 2 stickers to stick this thing. It's not provided, but you can buy it anywhere. And the good thing I found out is that the high pressure sensor is still working, so it switches on and off the engine fan, which is very good. The system is working perfectly like the original. Not like, but better. Even when I told that the AC is working all these years, it didn't actually. I never had that cool air in my truck before, and now I'm satisfied. I wanted to share my experience with you because I know that there is more truckers out there like me which suffer with this air conditioning. And if you have any questions, you can place it in the comments with this video, and I'll try to help you. And for those who speak Bulgarian, мога да ви отговоря на български. I wish good luck to all of you.